I've been buying machines now for over 26, 27 years, and it's probably one of the best pieces of kit I've bought. One minute you're mowing a bank and you've come across a couple of tree stumps that you could do with taking out. You put the stump grinder on and you can go down there and you can take those stumps out as well. I'm Peter Pattenden. I'm the estates manager here at Carden Park Hotel. We're set in the heart of Cheshire in the north of England. The estate here is just under 1,000 acres. We have a 198 bedroom hotel, 36 holes of golf, a 3-acre vineyard, 10-acre driving range and a full-spec football pitch. And along with that, it's a 1.1 mile of driveway from the main entrance all the way up to the front of the hotel. So as you can imagine, it's very labour intensive. We only have 16 full-time staff, and that's split up between gardeners, a mechanic and 2 estate workers, and we've got 10 full-time greenkeepers. The best thing about the Ventrac is I don't think we've actually demonstrated a utility vehicle or a utility tractor that's got so many attachments, and I think that's probably that stands it out from everything else that we've got. If we've got fairway mowers, all they can do is cut fairways. If you've got a tractor, all it can do is tow a trailer or we put a slitter on the back. But with the Ventrac, we've got 7 or 8 attachments that I have here at Carden Park, and every single one of them gets used for either mowing grass, stump grinding, edging cart paths, brushing cart paths. So yeah, it's a fantastic piece of kit. First demonstration of the Ventrac was away back in August last year, and it's amazing how you've got your demonstrator, he's working away at the machine, and all you want him to do is get off the machine so you can physically get on there and try it yourself. And it's always great when you manage to get on there and you start to build up your own confidence. You feel so confident with the machine. You know it's not going to slip. We've tried it on severe banks that we would hardly walk down, let alone take the Ventrac on, and we're cutting those banks with ease now, and I say it's taken so much pressure off us. Banking by the vineyard, we're normally 5 hours with 2 men strimming, so there's 10 man hours. We cut that now with the tough deck. It takes us about an hour and a half. And as you can see on the footage, it's a very, very steep bank, so the boys managed to cut that no problem at all. With having so many trees round about the estate, we get a lot of saplings every year. They grow like wildfire. So we had an area at the back of the first in the Cheshire. We went in there, it cleaned it up in a matter of minutes, which would normally take us hours with a bow saw and a pair of loppers. And the brush is a fantastic tool. We had quite a bit of snowfall this year on 3 or 4 different occasions, and we attached the brush to clear the snow. It took 2 minutes, and within an hour and a half, all the paths were clear, they were all salted. Whereas normally we are about 4 hours in the morning with 10 men clearing the snow round about the hotel, clearing all the paths. The contour deck is probably my favourite, because I like being able to cut into the bunkers and cut round the bunkers. The only way we could cut these slopes were either fly mowing and strimming, and it's not a single man job, it's a 2, 3, 4 man job with fly mowers and strimmers. With the Ventrac, it's just one man sat in the machine cutting the bank in a quarter of the time, so it's so labour saving, and then that takes the guys that we normally use for cutting and strimming the banks, they're on to other areas round about the golf course. Coming out of the spring, on the Nicholas course, we got to wait for at least 2 weeks dry. The ground was so wet, you were walking and you were leaving footprints all over the fairways, which was quite astonishing really. With the Ventrac coming on, you wouldn't even know the Ventrac's been there, but it gave us such a spring forward because we were managed to have the grass down, ready for the cylinder mowers to go on, and it actually put us 2 weeks in front of where we normally were. If you ask any of my team, the most important thing to me is operator comfort. At the end of the day, I can go and buy any machine I like, but I don't sit in it all day. So like, it's very important for the team because they'll be sitting on these machines for 8 to 10 hours a day. And right from the word go, when we started demonstrating the Ventrac, you've got a nice comfy seating position on the Ventrac. You're sat upright, easy to control and very, very comfortable. My only problem with the Ventrac is that I only have one, and hopefully we're going to try and add to the fleet this year. It's been a saving grace for us, really. I can't say anything bad about it, that's for sure. The other states up and down the UK and obviously in America, if they don't have one of these, it's certainly time they got one. I would argue anybody that's one of the best pieces of kit I've got, that's for sure.